why Kaizer Chiefs starting with 5 defenders, 3 centre back? Why approaching the game that way?
What do you think was the plan, Junior?
I don't think they trust their players. I don't think they trust how they won. I'm a game about winner. I don't think they were attempt.
Or the games where they were winning 1-0, 1-0.
Yeah, how they played. We've been saying, Oguchi Bazokbamba. You win ugly, they will catch you. Because it's not going to be a continuity. Remember, Chiefs are defending champions.
Yeah.
They needed this game. We can't make excuse City. They want to win the league or champions, Confederation Cup. Going to the game, Shane.
Yeah.
Chiefs limited take care but a player whereby is not playing regularly, which is Serino. Ateka Serino. 3 players, Silva, also Mtushabalala.
Yeah.
Ndlovu, I consider him as a defensive midfield.
Yeah.
He's a defender. Because protect back 5. Yeah. Okay. They hardly go forward as well. Lumfana lo
Titus, man of the match.
Yeah, well deserved. Okay. But big mela core 2. Connie Pola mistake 6 area.
Yeah.
First half. Chiefs is dlalang 5 at the back, dlalang 2 defensive midfielders. Okay, Lumfana lo is sort of is more of a ngifuna understand defense. Ngisafuna ukumbona Lumfana. I see taking shots outside the box. He's a good passer on the ball.
Yeah.
Nyambona ne vision. I still want to see more. But today I think not a bad game from the boy. But I think he came in Khamil, if I can be honest. Asikhulume nje ngegame yonke ilimit attack eKaizer Chiefs uSerino ugcineni ukudlala and then mawuzo attack ngabo kuyi3 which is umdu has not been akekho consistent uyakunika kakuniki and then uSerino is not even playing. I think ama game abo 6-7 this is I think ngikhulume this year all the games Serino has not been playing
most of the games. Yeah.
I think Zamalek game waphuma ngayo I think if not the Skata Shaipani Confederation Cup first league bedlala la home waphuma from there nowhere. So today you start him nama defending champions. I don't understand the coaches lento abayenzile. I think it's a big mistake for them.
Sorry